Good morning, class 7. In the previous class, you have read the laws of exponent up to number 5. And today, we are going to understand the next laws of exponent. So, take a look at this. Students, once again, the chapter is exponents and powers, and the topic is laws of exponent part 3. And now we have to talk about the sixth law. If x and y are two rational numbers and m is any integer, then x into y whole to the power m equals x to the power m into y to the power m. It means if x and y are two non-zero rational numbers, actually these are non-zero rational numbers, okay, x into y to the power m equals x to the power m into y to the power m separately. You can separate. For example, 2 into 5 to the power 3, you can write 2 to the power 3 into 5 to the power 3 separately. Here I am taking another example, 2 by 7 into 5 by 8, the rational numbers. You can separate it by 2 by 7 whole to the power 4 into 5 by 8 whole to the power 4. You can use this law from right to left also. If this type of things given, then you can comprise these two rational numbers in one bracket and write the power single. Now the next law, seventh law, if x and y are two rational numbers and y is not equal to 0, m is any integer, then x by y to the power m equals x to the power m divided by y to the power m. For example, 7 by 8 to the power 3 equals 7 to the power 3 divided by 8 to the power 3. Or you can write 7 to the power 3 by, you can also write like that, 7 to the power 3 by 8 to the power 3 separately. This is the case of multiplication and this is the case of division. Suppose for this example, 2 by 5 divided by 3 by 4 whole to the power 3, then you can write 2 by 5 whole to the power 3 divided by 3 by 4 to the power 3. You can separate, because the powers are same and the bases are different. If the bases are different, then you multiply it in the same bracket and write the power in multiplication and division also. Here I am taking another example. Evaluate 2 by 3 to the power 4 into 3 by 5 to the power 4. You can see here bases are different but powers are same. So write the question as usual, 2 by 3 to the power 4 into 3 by 5 to the power 4. And now you can write in one bracket these two terms, 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 and whole to the power 4. Now 3 1 ja 3, 3 1 ja 3, both are divisible. So here 2 is left, here 5 is left. So 2 by 5 to the power 4, and you can write it 16 by 625. Similarly, evaluate 4 by 5 to the power 2 divided by 6 by 5 to the power 2. You can comprise in one bracket. Bases are different, powers are same, and put the symbol of 4 by 5, put the symbol of division, 4 by 5 divided by 6 by 5 whole to the power 2. Now solve the bracket, 4 by 5 into 5 by 6. Then 5 1 ja 5, 5 1 ja 5, and 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6. Here 2 is left, here 3 is left. So you can write 2 by 3 to the power 2, which is 4 by 9. The next example is find the value of x if 5 by 3 to the power minus 4 into 5 by 3 to the power minus 5 equals 5 by 3 to the power 3x. Given, first we have to write, given 5 by 3 to the power minus 4 into 5 by 3 to the power minus 5 equals 5 by 3 to the power 3x. You can see it is LHS and it is RHS. In the LHS, the bases are same, so you can add the powers. So, with the use of symbol of amplification, 5 by 3 to the power minus 4 plus minus 5 equals 5 by 3 to the power 3x as usual. And 5 by 3 to the power minus 9, minus 4 plus minus 5 is minus 9, and 5 by 3 to the power 3x. Now you can see the bases are same, so you can equate the powers. Minus 9 equals 3x. You cannot cut it. Cut this 5 by 3. Do not cut 5 by 3, 5 by 3. It is a bad habit. It is a bad way mathematically. So you can just write the symbol of amplification and then write minus 9 equal to 3x. And now interchange 3x equal to minus 9, then x equal to minus 9 by 3, and after solving you will get x equal to minus 3. Now the next example, if 5 to the power 2x plus 1 divided by 25 equals 125, you have to find out the value of x. Okay, here we have to make the powers same. 5 to the power 2x plus 1 divided by 25 equals 125 is given, so here it is given. Now in the left side 5 to the power 2x plus 1, and this 25 comes into right side and multiplied, because it is division here, so it is multiplication. Now 5 to the power 2x plus 1 equals, this 125 can be written as 5 to the power 3, and this 25 can be written as 5 to the power 2. Now the LHS is 5 to the power 2x plus 1 equals 5 to the power 3 plus 2. Here bases are same, so powers will be added. Now 5 to the power 2x plus 1 in the LHS, and in the RHS 5 to the power 5. Now you can see the bases are same, 5 and 5. So you have to equate the powers. So 2x plus 1 equals 5. 2x equals 5 minus 1. So 2x equals 4 and x equals 4 by 2, which gives you x equal to 2. So this is the value of x. Now evaluate 5 to the power minus 1 into 3 to the power minus 1 whole to the power minus 1 divided by 6 to the power minus 1. First write the question as it is. 5 to the power minus 3 into 3 to the power minus 1 whole to the power minus 1 divided by 6 to the power minus 1, and write 5 power minus 1 is 1 by 5 into 3 to the power minus 1 is 1 by 3 bracket minus 1 divided by 6 to the power minus 1 divided by 1 by 6. This is power minus 1, so 1 by 6. Now this is 1 1 ja 1, 5 3 ja 15, 1 by 15 to the power minus 1 divided by 1 by 6. And now 1 by 15 reciprocal is 15 by 1, and to change its symbol division to multiplication, you have to write reciprocal of 1 by 6, that is 6 by 1. Ultimately it will 15 6 are 90 by 1, so x, so the result is 90. Now I think you better understand how you can use these laws of exponent. You can watch me on my YouTube channel, Ocean of Maths. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.